Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Chats. I am Emma.
Hi, Emma. And a big hello to all our listeners. I am Alex. Welcome to Day 7.
Day 7. We are moving fast. If you are here today, you are doing a fantastic job with your English habit.
Yes, you are. Yesterday, on Day 6, we talked about our morning routine. We talked about waking up, getting dressed, and eating breakfast.
But after breakfast, we have to leave the house. We have to go to work or we have to go to school.
Exactly. And that is our topic for Day 7. Today, we are going to talk about transportation. We will learn how to answer the question, how do you get to work?
Or how do you get to school? It is the same question.
Yes. In English, the trip from your house to your job is called your commute.
Let's talk about our commutes, Alex. How do you get to work?
Well, my school is in the big city, so I take the bus.
You take the bus. Do you like taking the bus?
Sometimes. The bus stop is very close to my apartment. I walk for 2 minutes, and I wait at the bus stop. But in the morning, the bus is always very crowded.
Crowded? That means there are a lot of people.
Yes, too many people. Sometimes I can sit down, but usually I have to stand.
That does not sound very relaxing.
It is okay. I put on my headphones. I listen to music or I listen to a podcast. It takes about 30 minutes to get to my school. What about you, Emma? How do you get to your office?
I am very lucky. I live in a small town, and my office is very close to my house. So I walk to work.
You walk to work? Wow, that is great exercise.
Yes, it is. I really love walking. It takes me 20 minutes. I wear comfortable shoes, and I look at the beautiful trees in my neighborhood. I drink my coffee while I walk.
That sounds like a perfect morning. But, Emma, what do you do when it rains?
The rain. If it rains, I wear a big raincoat and I carry an umbrella. I still walk, but I walk a little bit faster.
You are very brave. I do not like walking in the rain.
It's actually not too bad. So, listeners, you have heard 2 ways to travel. Alex takes the bus and I walk.
Yeah, there are lots of other ways to travel. Let's go through them for our listeners.
Good idea. What if you have a car? You can say, I drive to work.
Yes, I drive my car. Many people drive to work, but sometimes there is a lot of traffic.
Traffic means there are too many cars on the road and they move very slowly.
Exactly. What if you live in a really big city, like New York or London? You probably travel underground.
Yes. You can say, I take the subway, or I take the train. Subways are very fast.
And what if you have a bicycle? You can say, I cycle to work.
Riding a bike is very healthy, just like walking.
Let's practice a short conversation. Emma, imagine we are new friends at a coffee shop.
Okay. Hey, Alex, your office is very far away. How do you get to work?
I take the bus. It takes 30 minutes, and it is usually very crowded. What about you, Emma?
I am lucky. I can walk to work. It only takes 20 minutes.
That is great. I wish I could walk to work.
Why don't you try cycling to work, Alex?
Maybe I'll try that. As long as it's not raining.
Perfect. It is a very easy and natural conversation.
Yes. Try to use these simple sentences today when you practice your English. Now, it is time for our vocabulary highlight. We are going to explain 2 great words from our chat today.
The first word is commute. C-O-M-M-U-T-E. Commute.
Commute is a verb and a noun. It means the trip you take every day from your home to your work or school.
For example, you can say, my commute is 30 minutes, or I commute by bus.
The second word is crowded. C-R-O-W-D-E-D. Crowded.
Crowded means a place is completely full of people. There is no empty space.
Yes. In the morning, my bus is very crowded. A popular restaurant can also be crowded.
Great! Okay, everyone, it is time for our shadowing practice.
Yay! Shadowing practice. We are going to practice talking about transportation.
We will say a simple sentence, then we will pause.
During the pause, you must speak out loud. Do not just listen in your head. Move your mouth and speak. Are you ready? Let's practice.
Sentence number 1. How do you get to work?
Sentence number 2. I take the bus.
Sentence number 3. I walk to school.
Sentence number 4. I drive my car to the office.
Sentence number 5. I ride my bike every morning.
Sentence number 6. The bus is very crowded today.
Fantastic job! Your pronunciation is getting stronger every day.
Yes, you are doing an amazing job. We are so proud of your hard work.
Now it is time for our question of the day. This is your action step for day 7.
We want to know about your commute.
The question is, how do you get to work or school?
Go to the comments section right now and practice writing your answer.
You can write, I take the bus. I drive my car. I walk. Or I take the train.
Tell us how many minutes it takes to. For example, I take the train. It takes 40 minutes.
And remember our special rule. Please type Day 7 completed at the end of your comment.
Yes, keep that amazing streak alive. You are building a great habit.
Thank you so much for joining us for Day 7 of the 30-Day English Confidence Challenge.
If you liked today's episode, please make sure you are subscribed to Daily English Chats.
And please hit the like button. It helps us keep making these free lessons for you.
We will be back tomorrow for Day 8. Have a wonderful and safe commute today, everyone.
Stay confident and keep speaking English. Goodbye, Alex.
Goodbye, Emma. Bye, everyone. See you tomorrow.